Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered analogous meter example in our Lilygo T-HMI ESP32 S3 resistive touch display. Now in this video we are going to cover the color test example in Lilygo T-HMI ESP32 S3 resistive touch display. Okay, if you want to buy the product, then you can click here and you can navigate it to this page, okay, to buy this product. And if you want the official GitHub repository of Lilygo T-HMI, then you can click here and you will be navigated to this repository. Okay, now in the very first video we have covered that how you can getting started with it. Okay, so if you want to getting start programming with Lilygo T-HMI display from Arduino, then you have to download this entire repository. You have to copy the content of this library folder to Arduino library folder located in your document folder in your system. Okay, so here is the sample location. C, user, your name or your system name, documents, Arduino, and libraries. So you have to copy the entire content of the library folder to that location to getting start with Lilygo T-HMI display. Okay, because this library is specifically designed for Lilygo T-HMI display. And then after, in the tools menu, you have to use this setting to upload your code to Lilygo T-HMI display. Now here is the analogous meter example. Now let's test the color test example. Okay, so here is the code I have created for color test. You can download this and you can use it. Now it is already in my system, so I'm going to open the INO file. Okay, here is the code. Now before uploading the code, you have to select this setting in the tools menu. Now you can go to the tools menu and here you can verify your setting. USB CDC on boot is enabled. Okay, here also it is enabled. CPU frequency 240 megahertz, and here I have already make it default for T-HMI display, so I'm not going to change anything because already it is set up. Okay, but if you are going to upload this code from your system, then you must have to verify everything. Okay, that everything is selected as per this table or not in your system. If it is not selected, then you can't upload the code to your T-HMI display. Now let's run the color test example. So here is the example. I'm going to compile it. Okay, there are no error in the code, and now we are going to upload the code. Okay, here is the Lilygo logo. Here it is initializing, and then after it will go into the loop mode, invert off, and then it will again invert the screen. Okay, screen is inverted, you can see. Okay, again inverted off, it is normal, again it will invert. So this is the color test example, okay, for your Lilygo T-HMI ESP32 S3 resistive touch display. Okay, you can get the example from our GitHub repository. It is openly available to use for everyone. So here is the example, and you can also test your Lilygo T-HMI display for your color. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now we are going to cover a few more examples for this Lilygo T-HMI display in the future. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.